let v equal the vector -1, -1, 1, and the vector w be equal to the vector 2, 0, 1. Find a unit vector in the direction of 5v plus 3w. So I'm going to call this vector u. Vector u equals 5v plus 3w. This will be equal to 5 multiplied by that component form -1, -1, 1, plus 3 of the vector 2, 0, 1. And we will multiply by the scalar, the 5 and the 3, distributing those to each component. So this is the vector -5, -5, 5, plus the vector 6, 0, 3. Again, we're multiplying by that scalar, and then we'll add these component-wise. So we'll have -5 plus 6 makes our x component 1. Our y component will be -5 plus 0, which will be -5. And our z component will be 5 plus 3, or 8. All right, so the vector that we were talking about has the direction of 5v plus 3w is 1, -5, 8. However, this must be a unit vector. So let's find the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of u. And that will be the square root of 1 squared plus -5 squared plus 8 squared. And 1 squared is 1, -5 squared is 25, 8 squared is 64, so that this is equal to the square root of 90, which simplifies as 3 square roots of 10. And you may notice this is not a unit vector. This is not a unit vector. So the vector we are actually looking for is going to be that vector u, but we're going to divide by the magnitude of that vector. So vector u divided by the magnitude of vector u, and that means we're going to have the vector 1 divided by 3 square roots of 10, comma, -5 divided by 3 square roots of 10, comma, 8 divided by 3 square roots of 10. Now, we know that this is in fact in that same direction because of the work we've done, and we now know that it is a unit vector because we've divided by its magnitude, so that the magnitude of this must be 1.